Understanding Karma is Watching, a guide to karmic beliefs in everyday English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even read in books. Karma is watching. This expression is rich in meaning and has its roots in ancient beliefs. By understanding it, you'll not only enhance your English vocabulary but also gain insight into the cultural nuances that shape how people communicate their experiences and beliefs. So, let's explore what this phrase means and why it's significant. Before we delve into the phrase itself, it's crucial to understand what karma is. Originating from ancient Indian religions like Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, karma is a concept that explains how our actions in life have consequences. It's often summed up by the saying, "What goes around, comes around." In simpler terms, if you do good things will happen to you. And if you do bad things, you can expect bad things in return. Karma is seen as a cosmic law of moral cause and effect. When someone says, "Karma is watching," they're essentially warning or reminding that all actions have consequences. It's a way of saying that the universe keeps an account of our deeds, whether good or bad, and eventually, we'll face the outcomes of our actions. This phrase can serve as a caution against wrongdoing or an assurance that justice will prevail, even if it takes time. It taps into the belief that there's an invisible force balancing the scales of right and wrong. This phrase can be used in various contexts. As a warning to someone contemplating unethical actions, "Be careful what you decide to do, karma is watching." To comfort someone who has been wronged, "Don't worry, karma is watching. They'll get what they deserve." As a reflection on one's own actions, "I try to do good because I know karma is watching." It's a versatile expression that conveys a deep understanding of moral responsibility and the belief in cosmic justice. Karma is watching is more than just a phrase. It's a window into understanding how actions and consequences are viewed through the lens of ancient wisdom. It reminds us to be mindful of our actions and their impact on our lives and others. Hopefully, this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also enriched your understanding of the cultural beliefs that influence it. Remember, whether you're speaking, writing, or just thinking about your actions, it's always good to keep in mind that karma is, indeed, watching. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.